efforts.
Like even my friend, you know Kevin Kwan, right?
Yep.
He didn't plan on going pro until he hit Diamond 1. Like he told me, he was like, "Yeah, I'm not gonna go pro at all. There's no way." And then he hits Diamond 1 and almost Challenger. He's like, "I'm gonna go pro." So he dropped out of school and moved to California.
I mean, it worked out for him.
Yep.
It's
Now
been a good
he's yeah. And ganked by mom, dude.
And ganked by mom. He just has the best name ever.
Does. I wish I met ganked by mom. He was sleeping already when I went.
I just like, I don't know, he just seems like if you ever look at the Korean comics, he's that typical like buff dude. That's what he looks like. And he with the big lips and like the really lazy eyes, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he looks like to me. Kali needs rework. Yeah, her E is kind of useless, but like, I don't know, the cooldown's really short. That's one thing. Sub jamming. Could I kill Faker 1v1? Of course not.
Of course. You mean of course you can.
Of course, yeah, that's what I meant. Of course that's what I meant. Go find some Asian girls, man. I believe.
Gotta go find some Asian girls. Good luck.
Yeah, Herman gets ganked by mom all the time.
No going back.
Alright, let's see this matchup. Fizz. I feel like he might get you first, so I'm gonna check. Oh, maybe not. What the fuck? Why am I taking so much damage? Didn't even notice. Okay. I fucked up lane already.
Only fools.
Owie. There goes my lane, boys.
Wow, Kevin, you followed Emily before you followed me. I'm hurt.
I knew I like chilled with Emily before, actually.
Nigga, I started her stream.
I didn't. Wait. You're
No,
right,
I'm
you're
the one
right.
that started her stream.
Oh wait, you're right.
And then now she's like huge on Twitch. Well, sort of. Bigger than me, at least.
Peace out, farts.
And then she abandoned me. Doesn't talk to me anymore.
Alright, this Fizz is playing like a bitch. Like, I was so low before. I feel like he could have capitalized on it. Or maybe because he sees me farming and he's like, oh man, this guy sucks. Definitely why. Who's their jungler? Lee Sin? Alright, I do have to be careful of ganks. Because Lee Sin's a good early game ganker. Talking about. Fucking A. Thunderlord's Decree. Does he have corruption too? Nah, he doesn't. Corruption with Fizz is actually pretty decent. But I just make sure that, you know, I farmed a no magic safely. Alright, we're good. Yep, Lee Sin here. Alright, I just gotta make sure I don't get flashed on by Fizz. But after I farm this wave under tower, Fizz can't really harass me under tower, so that's good. Unless they decide to dive me.
No going back.
Alright. There's a possibility that Lee Sin might be hovering on the right. Flyerbeck, he stopped by my stream once and we talked about Cat. Yeah, but yeah, we're decent. Like we know each other pretty decently. Oh, Lee Sin bot.
Can't wait to go back, dude. I'm ready for my greasy heart attack burgers and pizza and stuff.
I got blue. Yes.
Only fools.
Are you ready? Are you ready for the American food? All that
Yeah,
fat
ooh,
goodness.
that triple kill. Too
Yeah.
easy.
Fucking, that's why you get TP, guys.
Yep. So easy that even
So
I could
easy.
do that.
Yeah, sure.
What?
No, I'm agreeing with you, man. I didn't disagree.
Oh yeah?
I said sure.
Hey, my cat's gotten better, dude. Even with the 240 ping.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So you just watch, man. Just watch. When I go back with proper ping. Who's calling me? What the? Spam.
TPOP, guys. Moral of the story. Ugh. Alright. I think I have better fighting stats. Alright. Ooh. Fizz missing cannon? I want him to miss the cannon. Did he miss cannon? Yeah, he did. Decent top. So I gotta hover around bot side. Dude, I actually am better than Skara at Cat as of now. Like, I was talking to him the other day, and like, he was just like, dude, Cat sucks. I hate Cat now. He doesn't even try to like play Cat anymore. Lee Sin's definitely around, and if Fizz hits 6, then I'm dead. Wait, Jax is coming bot too? Let me mid. Whoop! Peace! Easy. Alright, this is where I transition into the bot gank.
Kevin, have I played with Asian Failure before?
I don't think so. Shit, Lee Sin. Lee Sin coming. Nope, I can't do anything. Shit, this game's intense actually, because fights keep happening bottom.
You're so bad, Kevin.
Ah, yeah, right when he said that, I like fucked up my farm.
Aw, dude, Kevin, you're one shit under challenger, dude. So bad.
One shit under challenger.
Oh, I saw that miss on the Shimpo.
Yeah, I know. Oh. There's no flash.
Kevin, have you seen my hair? Like,
Yeah.
oh, well, you have, right?
Yeah, I did. Fucking Fizz, like, he just jumps on me, tries to dodge my Q, but I'm not even maxing it first. So that's like a plus for me. Look at Lee Sin.
People think you still
Just gonna
max
dodge.
Q on Cat.
Yep, nope, not anymore. W is the way to go, all day. Alright, I can get a pistol now, and I have TP. Best Katarina skin, I say Slay Bell and High Command. They're my favorite. I don't know why I like High Command. I didn't like it at first, but it looks really nice. Yeah, no one's talking to Skoro.
Goro. Dude, I need to lose some weight so I can fit into my NRG t-shirt.
That's not happening.
Whoa. Whoa, dude.
You're coming to
You mean-
America. You're coming back to America.
Actually, I don't even know. Like, as much as I try to lose weight, it just doesn't work out, because, like, losing fat is easy. But I don't know what to do to lose muscle, dude.
You don't work out.
That's
You know how you said it doesn't work out? It just means that you don't work out. You can't work out. Get it?
oh my god, are we going into a freaking pun battle again? Huh? Is this? Are you challenging me?
Oh my god!
You challenging me, Kevin, to a pun battle?
Yes, no, maybe.
Yeah? We'll get pumped because it's Friday.
The fuck? Sorry, but that joke didn't really work out.
Hey, you already used that one.
I'm sorry, but all your jokes aren't working out. Oh shit, it's Nate.
It's Nate.
Max W all day. That's the plan.
Oh yeah, so I was at the protein store, right? And I saw some really cheap protein. So in my mind, I was thinking, what? No way.
I've heard that one before, actually.
Oh, damn it.
Not original.
Because I can.
Be more original, dude. Alright, that TP did not work out.
Only fools hesitate.
Penaltying me was a good decision, but yeah, they did too much damage. Like honestly, if I did a little bit more damage, or if I belt Sunfire, I don't know,
Friends blood,
it would have been better.
enemies guess.
Owie, dude. Lee Sin coming mid all fucking day.
Wait, so Kevin, you know the team icons? Like for LCS and stuff?
Yeah.
Did you know if you actually buy them, you're actually supporting the team directly? Like all the money goes to them?
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's what Kevin told me. He was like, yo, make sure you get everyone to buy energy.
Hell yeah. I mean, I don't. I do it for gank by mom and impact.
No Conquan?
What the fuck is that?
Or Altec, dude? Dude, Altec is so chill. I was
mean,
talking to him. And
Dude,
he was
he's like your typical high schooler, dude. Oh,
I mean-
shit.
is he still in high school? No, right?
Like, he was kind of like, you know, he didn't go to college. He didn't go to college.
I know that.
Sup, Bowser? Yeah, maxing W is all the way, dude. Dude, do I go tank or what? Do I go tank this game? What should I do?
No,
No?
no,
No?
no. You're 3-1.
But
You
that,
know,
that's
you
just
know.
more of a reason to do it, because it's so, like, funny. I have 27 viewers. Nice. Wouldn't have been possible without you, Lychee. Thank you.
Yeah, nigga is getting more like viewers than I do now.
Yeah. But then again, like, before she came, I was only getting, like, 15? 10 to 15-ish?
Yeah. Like I have a large ass follower base, but none of them watch me because I'm trash, and two, I'm inconsistent in streaming.
Oh, shit. Fizz.
Never.
You dead. Dude, how the fuck did that Q hit me? Crazy. Alright, he could like Shumpo ward, kick me, and then guarantee the Q, so I'm not even gonna get close. Alright,
You know, Kevin, do you wanna play one after?
Yeah, sure.
Before I have to pack. Dear God.
When do you leave again?
I have to leave for the airport around like 4 p.m.
4 p.m.?
Yeah.
Okay. No, Fizz doesn't have ulti. I have TP. Come on, 4, 3. Hope they dive or something. Oh shit. Damn. I was really hoping Shen came. Not enough time. But you saw I did a lot of damage there. Oh shit, Twitch, you fucked.
Sneaky, sneaky.
Oh. Is he good? Oh, he's good. Oh, okay, he's fucked. He's so fucked. Decent damage is no joke, dude. Alright. lolhentai.net, that shit exists?
That does?
I guess. My fucking...
Good job, you just triggered Kevin's freaking weakness.
My weakness?
Why?
What, like, what the
But
fuck?
what, like,
I mean, like, just a site dedicated to lol hentai? Like, damn. I just want to say there's some dedicated people out there.
Dude, my school just sent me an email, like my, like, the counselor.
Yeah.
He's like, congrats, you were able to override and get through this, get into this class. I'm like, excuse me, I'm in a gap year, I never registered for a course.
They want you back, Seppi. That's what it is. They're looking forward to your visit.
It was obviously a mistake, because they gave me an override request for, like, some electrical engineering class that's in, like, the 400 levels.
An enemy has been slain.
never.
Shut down.
Please! Fizz is
Mistake.
coming! Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming too. Oh, thank you for the donation.
I'm 11!
Oh, wait, what's going on? Is Fizz going? Okay. A double kill. Holy shit, that Fizz was scary. Like, if he, like... I don't know. That dude, like, if he waited in that bush, I would have died if I got too close. So I wait for him to go out the bush before I went in.
Kevin, did you see that donation?
No, who donated it?
Fools hesitate.
I don't know.
Damn it, Seppi. Damn it, Seppi. I already know.
Get yourself a haircut, dude.
How much did you give me?
$1.
What kind of haircut am I supposed to get with that? I'm gonna pay some fucking
I don't know.
pay some random person to just like shave my head. Is that what you want?
Keep friends close.
Go give it to like a homeless dude and like give him a razor. I'm pretty sure he'll do it for you. Here's a razor. I'll give you $1 if you cut my hair.
They'll do anything for $1, man. Yeah.
Kevin, I could actually cut hair. Do you want me to cut your hair?
I've made
No, because I already cut my hair. Surprisingly.
Oh. See.
Oh shit! I wanna be part of this. Oh god, a Fizz. I need to like be.
Has been slain.
All right, sneaky. Go around. Make sure this isn't warded. All right, we're good. I know that's pinked actually. That corner.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Hey, Kevin. I have a situation here. Like a bit of a problem. I am confused about. So I have a black friend in my school,
No. Yeah.
and he knows that I'm going to Michigan for a couple days.
Yeah.
And he was like, yeah, so why don't we meet up? I'm like, yeah, sure, what do you want to meet? He's like, yo, come to Detroit. He was like, oh,
Okay. Random as fuck.
there's the problem. I don't want to go to Detroit.
Oh gosh, Shen, are you gonna die? Oh no. Okay. Homeless man could also cut my neck and take more dollars. Yeah, I wouldn't want to
That is
give a
true.
homeless man scissors. Like, that's a lot of trust put into a homeless guy. Hourglass would have saved you there. Nah, I wouldn't even have money for Hourglass. Honestly,
Speaking of money, did you save up for the trip?
no. Well, I have like no, I don't actually. I was planning on working.
You shitter!
I don't even have. Okay, no, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
I literally gave you guys 3 months to prepare for this trip.
Okay, I'm fucked. Dude, what the fuck? Alright, I did not see the Janna there. Quinn is gross, actually. That nigga just like flies all over the place. Alright, fucking bot lane is like... I know Twitch is one of the worst AD carries right now because literally nothing's like... Nothing happened to him. Everyone got buffed. Twitch is just... They completely forgot about him, actually. That sucks.
Yeah.
Even after getting the triple, like, everyone's pretty strong. Jax is gonna get naturally strong, Fizz is getting kills. What else is going on
In
here?
the meantime, Misfortune is still a like insta-ban in Korean server.
Yeah, seriously. Now she's just getting picked all day, like in my games. Dude, I think Quinn's gross because fucking her blind. I did not know her blind worked like a Graves smokescreen. That shit's so stupid.
It is.
At first I was so fucking confused. I'm like, what the fuck? Where's that Graves coming from? Oh shit, Jax. Dude, don't fight the Shen, man. What am I doing? I should be building what Shen's building. I think like just today, I've just been going so much like tank games that I'm just playing like a tank right now. And my reaction got so slow because I'm so used to not dying. Bye, Leech. Litchi, thank you for the host and everything. You're the best.
Ew, Argo.
Oh shit, okay.
Oh, when are you gonna buy that hoodie, dude?
Hold on, I fucked up because like my ward and my thing is just not the same. Okay. Oh shit, Shen! Twitch, ulti! Oh my god, I fucked up so hard. Why am I alive? I deserve to die there. Oh my god. I'm so upset with myself. I might just go tank. That was free Quadra. Yet oh my god. What am I going? Alright, I guess I'll go this. Holy shit! I'm so sad. I had to like flash EQ. Oh, okay. I'll just leave the shitting this, splitting the shit. Holy fuck. Go, go, go. No. I think Twitch is doing something now. Dude, I'm not in the zone because I keep fucking... I was playing tank this whole day. And like, now I gotta like, you know, actually like use my reflexes. Oh my god. Dude, this sucks. I could've had it if I W'd like as soon as, you know... Thank you for the follow. If I W'd early, like before my ulti stopped. But I wanted to get my ulti stuff.
Oh shit, Philip sent me an invite and I didn't notice. No! No! I wanted to play an ARAM.
Yeah, Philip's like, no one's on. Yeah, he doesn't invite anyone.
That one time he messages you, no one's on, and I'm like, I'm right
Yeah,
here.
and I'm like, he didn't even invite me either. Dude, I got you, Bowser.
Do you think he did that on purpose just to troll us?
No. I feel like he wouldn't, I don't know.
Yo, so do you want to go to the knife party thing?
Knife party? I don't know, actually.
Because I watched their set this past summer, and they do have a bit of house.
Look at that Gunblade initiation right there.
Enemy has been slain.
Going in, Lee Sin?
Keep friends
Fizz Inc. We're good. And Shen ulted me, thank you. He acknowledges who's the carry in our team right now. Keeps me alive. Lulu dies for her country. No!
Nice for her country.
I died for my country. Should I? I
Pretty
mean, I'm
much what
planning
all
on
sports
playing.
do.
I'm planning on playing normals after this. So I mean, if she's down to play, like we'll play. FTP? No, we don't. But I gotta back and get my loot-ins. Think I'm back in the groove, guys.
Dude, I can't wait to go to the ski trip.
You know, like half the people aren't even gonna go. It's
That's a lie. I asked every single one of them.
like,
No, but actually, I asked like every single one of them. Turns out Philip's like the only person that's not going to ski.
Brandon?
Huh?
Brandon?
Yeah, he said he'll do it.
Really? He said he doesn't want to.
Well, Mook's going on the mountain too. Oh wait, no. Wait, Philip says he will. Brandon's the only one that didn't want to go.
Oh, okay.
Like you know, Hong's gonna go up to the mountain.
Yeah, yeah, oh, for sure.
I'm going up. You're going up.
Ooh.
I know for sure
Scary.
Dennis and Tammy are gonna go up. Same with Andy. Same with Mook. Ian if he does go. Although I put Ian as a no, cause like I told him to find out if he can come by November, and it's past
Ooh.
December already. It's still 50-50.
Woo! Yeah. They're Gunblade. Oh, are they surrendering? Oh yeah, it's over. It should be over.
GG.
See? Did you guys see me get carried there?
Yeah, you're freaking 5 and 11, scrub.
Ugh. I got carried. Oh shit. Alright, we're good to go. I played so bad though. Oh my god, that combo was so bad. Alright, let's see how much damage I do. Alright, Jax would have been dead. Overall, I do a lot of damage with Gunblade. That's all I have to say. Gunblade is the damage item to go because it's cheap and it complements your W really well. Bad start, dude. I got